Okay guys, so here we need to work out 54.6 times 4.3 for the June 2017 paper or my daily math series. Okay, here we go. So the first thing you want to know that this is a series of long multiplication. So this is a good practice, in fact. So let's have a go. So first things first, I would work this out without a decimal point. So I'll treat this as 546 and I'll treat 4.3 as 43. So line it up properly for 3. Now I would stick a big multiplication sign here, and I would now work out each one. So I would times 3 by every single figure up here, and then I'll times the 40 by every single figure up here. So let's have a go. So let's focus on timesing 3. So this is the timesing 3 column, yeah? And the next one will be the timesing 40 column. So multiplying every figure here by 3, what we're going to get? So 6 times 3 will give us 18. Carry the 1. Next we're going to have 3 times 4, which is 12, plus 1, which is 13. So carry the 1. And lastly we're going to have 3 times 5, which is 15, and then add the 1, which is 16. Since there's no more figures, we can just write 16 head on. Now we want to times every quantity by 40. The smart thing is, because we times by 40, immediately the number here is going to increase by 10 times. So we can stick a 0 here by default. Now let's go. So timesing every single figure by 4. So 4 times 6 will give us 24. So we can put 4 here, carry the 2. 4 times 4 is 16, add 2 is 18, carry the 1. And lastly, 4 times 5 is 20, add 1 is 21. So we can, since there's no more figures, we can write 21. And that's it, guys. And now all we do is literally add these figures up. So just draw a neat straight line. So I'll just do one here. I didn't do it earlier, but yep. And you don't need to worry about these smaller numbers. So try and differentiate the figures here. So I'm going to just rub this out because we don't need this little working out. And so finally, adding everything up, so we've got 8 plus nothing is 8. So let me just put a plus sign here. Okay. 3 plus 4 is 7. 8 plus 6 will give us 14. So carry the 1. 1 plus 1, add an extra 1 is 3. And lastly, copy the 2. And that's it, guys. We have the figure. And now, as for the decimal points, well, because we need to think carefully, so because it's moved them 2 places across, 1 place on each side, we accumulate decimal points. So it'll be 2 places here. Another way to do it is to ask yourself, what is 54? Let's estimate, what's 54 times 4? Or firstly, to make it even easier, what is 50 times 4 approximately? We can see that this is about 200. So yes, we need three figure answers, and we have a 3 figure answer plus a decimal. So 234 kind of falls in the line of this figure. Perfect. If you put a decimal place for one place, it would be 2,347, and that is obviously way off the mark because it's nowhere near 200. So yeah, so this is a good way to kind of double check your estimates, is to try and put the points and to pretend that you don't have no decimal points, to have an idea where the number will be. But yeah, that's it for now, guys, and other than that, I shall see you all in the next video.